Hey everyone, Trailblazers fan 1458, Captain Falcon Fanatic 07 here. There's going to be a BNSF train coming by, heading towards Seattle. I hope you enjoy the video. I know it's Thursday, but this is the only time I get to, Railfan at the time. Well, for right now, of course. To be honest. Alrighty, that's it for Railfan video. Yes, cheers to that. Well, I only take it every few months, but I'm 22, so don't worry about it. So, comment, rate, subscribe. I post videos at least once a week. This has been Trailblazers fan 1458, Captain Falcon Fanatic 07, signing off.